Hello and welcome back to my daily vlog. As you can see, I'm posting it on TikTok and not on YouTube because my phone is already broken, so I'm gonna use this phone. So I'm just going to... No, I don't like that one. I want the yellow. Hey, I want hot dog. Give me hot dog. Cheese dog. Yes. Oh nga na, I forgot. I'm 13 years old, which you already missed my birthday, but if you support me, then I will be appreciated. But I'm 13 years old already. It's already April 11th. My birthday was 11 years. 11 years. My birthday is 11 days ago. So, I'm still a coffee addict. I wanna buy this one. Why would you even eat in store? Sarah, you're eating in a store, not in a bahay. And you're just a silly little tomboy. It's a joke. She's not a tomboy. Going to have my... Hey, what are you doing? The little eater again. Should I get this? Wow, sharap. All-in-one seasoning granules. No, I don't cook. But I do cook bulldog. Don't hawak-hawak a knife. Shit. Don't hawak-hawak a knife. I had to censor that out. Oh my gosh. At the school supply store, at the Pancit Canton store, at the baby wipe store, at the cup store. Seriously? Bitch, who would even thought? It's nothing. Oh my gosh. His little whisper is loud. Should we buy Coke? No, we have Coke over here. Shoe over here. Yay, I shoe. It's a Coke. Oh, we need to use a garbage disposal. Alangan us. Kasi I'm masyado. I'm so usy of papers. Not at home, but in office. Jazara, come here. Jazara, come here, puchak. I kinda like this one. Is it green? Okay, don't remind me of Harley Quinn. And why am I wearing green? I hate it. One of my most favorite and not favorite is green. I was like 6 years old, then 7, then 8, then 9, until I got 10. I do not like green anymore. B. We have tortillas. I don't like it. I'm so choosy to foods. Yeah, I'm a big back and a picky eater, and I don't like seaweed. Clover, my favorite. And I'm gonna buy it because I'm freaking full. Like my mouth, like I don't know how to say this, but it's like you're tasting on the just like you're imagining the taste, but you're full already. Put this on. I don't know if the camera got it, but I'm using the front facing camera. You need to use a dishwashing liquid. Not that one. Sarah, come here. Yeah. I'm going to end this video for today. So, if you're watching, I hope you have a great day.